Hello, assalamu alaikum. I am MD Kamal Hussain. How to 1 hours stay in make money $80 per hours. I'm just now is a make money one video. I'm saying okay, waiting for its computer. Just your one skill gather, then the per hour $80. Okay. Okay. Hello guys. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. I am the Kamal Hussain Chaudhuri. Just presentation make 80 hours, $80 per hours. How to make money with Canva. Canva is an online graphic design system, very easy and very simple. Any design that just 5 to 10 minutes. The per hour is the $80. The how to make money with Canva. This is the Canva homepage. Any design of Canva just to sign up my lot of video my channel. It is the Canva. I'm the make money. How to the make money site? Just www.fiverr.com. I'm search the Canva. Lot of sizes Canva. Canva is a lot of people. The Canva is a one size. Okay, I am 2 or 3. And the how to make money, lot of make money on the Fiverr marketplace, www.fiverr.com. The search bar is Canva. Easy and very simple earning is to make money. Just uses the online platform, the online software, the any design, social media design, social media design, web SEO, etc. Lot of design, graphic design, very easy and simple. And Canva, the make money 2022 is the system, the Fiverr marketplace, the make money. Any people gain the make money. Very easy and very simple. Or any system, graphic design, very easy to say. Online software, the Canva is a very simple and very easy. One Gmail account, Facebook account, Twitter account, etc. Then the sign up. How to create a design, any design, just 1 to 5 to 10 minutes to complete. The lot of money earn the make money on Fiverr marketplace. We have this the see lot of Canva design and the search bar is Canva. The lot of template, lot of geeks. I'm 1 or 2 gigs. Just see just the third page. The lot of people, the gain of Canva, money of Canva software, online software, very easy to say. This people is a 91. I will provide the real estate template. It Canva, $50, $100, $160, $160, and the $100. The get more presentation is a lot of etc. Is a Canva is a real estate template, real estate, and very easy, simple, easy to the Canva is a template, is a real estate, education trading personal. And the search bar is the design, real estate. Okay. Wow, is real estate news, real estate flag, real estate logo, real estate slide, real estate video, real estate, lot of real estate postcard, real estate website, real estate social graphics, the lot of design. There's a lot of design, lot of template is a Canva. So more design Canva. Wow, the lot of design. Very easy and simple. The lot of design with the real estate template. Real estate template. Wow. The lot of real estate template. The any template is designed the Canva, the how to make money, how to make $80 per hours, how to make money with Canva. The same system the people the guys is the using the Canva, the template. You will provide the real estate template is Canva. The first basic is $50 and $100, $160. It's a very simple, oil. This is the art of the Canva, the real estate template. Lot of template, the free template is Canva. 5 to 10, 1 or 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. So nice is template of Canva. How real estate. Wow, lot of template. The easy and free lot of template. The paid Canva uses the lot of template this Canva. And the Canva is a very simple iron graphic design. You have to make money, lot of make money earn for this Canva. Canva is a very important in the very easy and very nice, very active and beautiful and attractive template design is Canva. The make or how to lot of make money of Canva. The $168. I'm the second gig searching the I will design anything with Canva. I will design anything Canva. 80 $80 per hour is $80, including his the ebook cover. Ebook is Canva. I'm just for searcher Canva. Ebook. I have any design of real estate. Same thing, search ebook cover, ebook, etc. Ebook, even just ebook cover. Ebook, that means online book. Lot of ebook cover, this Canva. Wow, very simple and easy. A lot of ebook cover. Wow, lot of ebook cover. Very simple and easy way. So hello guys, how to is the 1 hour is $80 just for Canva. Is very easy and simple, design an ebook, ebook and $80. $80. Okay. I will design anything in Canva. The 3 water is queens, $80 make money. How to lot of gain make money of the Canva. Canva is a very important and easy software online graphic design. You're the lot of make money gain or this the marketplace of Fiverr is a Canva searches the people who is this people is $80. The very easy and simple work, ebook and social media post, social media template, etc. The third people, the first people is a $160 is the make money of Canva, which is very easy and simple. This Canva is a very simple make money. How to lot of make money gain, very easy. I will provide the real estate template is Canva. Canva is a very simple gives the lot of make money of the Canva. Hello guys, thank you very much. You have saw this video, and your newly viewers my channel, your newly viewers my channel, your newers my channel, the subscribe please and notification button. Thank you very much my old and new viewers. You have this visit my channel of kmitinstitutbd. I can presentation lot of make money video, the others technical video, all the learning video. You have this make money lot of video presentation my channel. Thank you very much. Welcome to Happy New Year 2022. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. I am Kamal Hussain, and this is the thank you very much. Visit my channel.